Hello second years, welcome back to maths class. In previous class we discussed about the equation of the tangents. Equation of the tangent with respect to slope, equation of the tangent with respect to point, two forms are there. So we did two types of problems. When slope is given, how we have to take equation of the tangent. When point is given, how we have to take equation of the tangent. We did two types of problems in previous class. Before that we did the length of the tangent. Length of the tangent with respect to point to a circle. Length means distance, right? After that equation of the tangent. So today we are dealing one topic, that is length of the chord. Today's topic is length of the chord. How we will find the length of the chord of the circle, right? This is most repeated 4 marks question. So I have taken some selected questions, right? So practice them perfectly. Okay, now come to the meaning of chord. So what is meant by chord? Very simple, line joining 2 points of the circle. If any line joins 2 points of the circle, that is called the chord of the circle. If chord passes through the center, then it is called diameter. So we have to find the length of the chord AB. So how we will find length of the chord AB? Observe here, from center to this line, this is your chord, right? So from center to this chord, you take the perpendicular line, that distance will be D, and you take this half of the length of chord as x. I have taken exactly half as nothing but this one, and center to any point on the circle is radius. And observe, just join them, you got a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse whole square. Here your hypotenuse is r square is equal to sum of the squares of the sides. So it is d square plus x square, right? So then what will be our x square? X square is equal to r square minus d square. So what will be your x then? X is equal to root of r square minus d square. You got half of the length of your chord, but we want a length of full chord. So therefore length of chord, what is chord? Line joining 2 points of the circle is called the chord. So length of the chord AB is equal to this one and this one. From here to here, A to B, distance is called length of the chord. So this is x, so this is x, so total is 2x. Your length of the chord is 2x, so is equal to 2 into root of, what is this? R square minus d square. So anywhere if you want to find the length of the chord, you have to use this formula, 2 into root of r square minus d square. That means to get our length of the chord, we need two things. One is radius of the circle and another one d is the perpendicular distance from center to the chord, right? One is r we want and another one is d is the perpendicular distance from center to that chord. So this is the formula for length of the chord. Once again, chord is nothing but line joining 2 points of the circle. So from center to that line, you take the perpendicular distance and consider that as d. And join from center to that point, that is radius. We know it, center to any point is radius, right? So next, if you observe, it is right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem, right? R square is equal to d square plus x square. Then your x square will be, we are sending d square that side, r square minus d square. So x is equal to root of r square minus d square. We have to find length of the chord. So this length we have to find, we got this length, half of the length, so 2 times of that length is nothing but your length of the chord. So now we will do some problems based on this formula and we will find the length of the chord. Come to the first question. Find the length of the chord intercepted by the circle on the line. So for all chord problems we have to draw this type of diagram. So circle, and this is your chord. From center to chord you draw perpendicular distance, that is D, and from center to that point, that is your R. Okay, so this is the diagram for length of the tangent. So if we want to find length of the tangent to any circle, we need two things, R and D. So try to find out R and D. R is nothing but radius of the circle, D is nothing but perpendicular distance from center to that line. So come on, given circle equation is, so that we can get our center and radius. Given circle equation is, what is the circle equation? It is x square plus y square plus gx minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. Compare this with your general circle equation. 2g is equal to 8, 2f is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 16, g is equal to 8 by 2, it is 4, f is equal to minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 16. Once we got g of c, we can write our center. Formula is minus g minus f is equal to minus g minus 4 minus f minus of minus plus, and now take the radius as usual. What is the formula? G square plus f square minus c. So root of g square 4 square 16, f square 2 square 4, minus of minus plus 16, 20, 36, isn't it? 20 plus 16, root 36 is equal to 6. This is your radius. Now we have to find D value. What is D? D is equal to, I said to get the length of the chord we need R value, D value. We got it R. Now try to get your D. D is equal to perpendicular, the symbol, right? Distance from which point? From center. Distance from center. What is the center? That center we got it as minus 4 comma 2 to the line. It is given that the line is 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So you know that by your first year knowledge, if we want to find the perpendicular distance from x naught, y naught to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then your formula D is equal to, what is the formula? Modulus of ax naught plus by naught plus c by root of a square plus b square. This is the formula. So here D is equal to, you consider this is your ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is your x naught, y naught. Substitute in the formula. It is 3 into x naught minus 4. Next minus y, that is 2 plus c plus 4 divided by root of a square 3 square plus b square minus 1 whole square. So is equal to, it is minus 12 minus 2 plus 4 whole divided by root of 9 plus 1 is equal to minus 14 plus 4 is minus 10, but modulus is there. I said inside modulus, if negative is there, it becomes positive. So 10 by root 10 is equal to, we can write 10 as root 10 into root 10 by root 10. So cancels is equal to, this is your d value. We got r value, d value. Therefore, so what is the formula? Length of chord is equal to, what is the formula for length of the chord? 2 into root of, what is this? R square minus d square. So just to substitute 2 into root of r, we got it as 6. 6 square minus root 10 whole square. Square root cancel is equal to 2 into 6 square is 36 minus 10. 2 into 36 minus 10 is 26. So this is your length of the chord. So very simple and most expected 4 marks question. We can expect one 4 marks question from these chord problems, length of the chord on the basis of chord. Okay, so very simple, one circle equation is given to us and it is intercepted by one line. So it is intercepted by one line. This is the circle. So we have to find the length of the chord. So from the circle equation you find out center and radius. Then you find out the perpendicular distance from center to that line. You will get your d. Then apply the formula. Length of chord is equal to 2 into root of r square minus d square. Whenever length of the chord, you have to apply this formula. Okay, so we got the answer as 2 root of 26. So we will do one more problem so that you will get used to this type of problems. So most selected, these two questions are most repeated and most selected questions. So I will do one more problem of same type, length of the chord. So practice these two perfectly. So we can expect definitely one question on tangent and one question on chord in final examination, right? So now come on, take the second question. Find the length of the chord intercepted by this with the line. Same procedure is same, only circle equation and line equation are different. So same diagram you have to draw, right? So what is that? Circle you have to take. Why I am drawing once again, so that you will get used to this diagram also. This is the chord, right? So from center to, you take a perpendicular distance, that is d, from center to any point, that is r. This is the diagram for all these chord problems. So this is the problem. First, what is the circle equation? Circle equation is, what is the circle equation? It is x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 is equal to 0. Compare with the general equation. 2g is equal to minus 1, 2f is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 22. So g is equal to minus 1 by 2, f is equal to 3 by 2. So center. We need to get our length of the tangent, we need r value and d value. So r is radius, d is perpendicular distance. So center is equal to, what is the formula? Minus g minus f. So minus g, this is minus of minus, and minus f, minus 3 by 2. So take the radius. Radius is equal to, what is the formula? G square plus f square minus c. So root of g square 1 by 2 whole square, f square minus 3 by 2 whole square, minus of minus plus. So is equal to root of 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4 plus 22. Come on, take the LCM. What is the LCM? 4 as the LCM. 1 plus 9. So 4 2s are 4 2s are is equal to root of 10 plus 88, 98 by 4. This is your R, right? Once we get R, we have to find D. What is D? D is equal to perpendicular distance from center, right? Distance from center. What is the center? See here, we got 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 to the line. To which line? Line equation is given to us. It is x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So same, what is the formula? I said the perpendicular distance from x naught y naught, right, to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is, what is the formula? Ax naught plus, you got this formula in your first year B paper, right? A square plus b square is equal to modulus of, this is your ax plus by plus c, this is your x naught y naught. So 1 into 1 by 2 minus 1 into minus 3 by 2 plus c place we are having minus 3 by root of a place, a is x coefficient, b is y coefficient, ax plus by, like that we have to take. So it is 1 square plus minus 1 square is equal to, taking the LCM, 1 by 2 minus of minus plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by root of 1 plus 1, it is 2. So come on, take the LCM now, it is 2. So 1 plus 3, 2 3s are 6 by root 2. So is equal to 1 plus 3, 4, 4 minus 6 is minus 2 by 2 by root 2. So it is 2 to cancel, minus 1, modulus is there, 1 only, 1 by root 2. You got your D value. Therefore, length, same, length of chord, at the end we have to find length of the chord AB is equal to, what is the formula? 2 into root of r square minus d square. We got both values, just to substitute. Your r is root 98 by 4 whole square minus d is 1 by root 2 whole square. So square, square root cancel. There also it cancel. So it is 98 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into root of, come on, 4 as the LCM, 98 minus 2, 2s. So is equal to 2 into root of 98 minus 2, 96, root 4 is 2, 2 to cancel. So your length of the chord is root 96. So I think now we will be perfect with this method. So very simple, and whenever we used any formula, you have to mention, marks will be there with that formula. Which formula we used? The perpendicular distance from x naught y naught to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? And another most important formula is length of the chord is always 2 into root of r square minus d square. Okay, this is your second question. Now we will solve one more problem based on this chord only. So now come to third question. So again same thing, observe the question, read the question carefully before solving the problem. Don't do it blindly, right? So now take the third question, read the third question. What is that? In these two problems, previous two problems, we have to find length of the chord, right? They have given the circle equation, but in a third question, they will give the length of the chord and we have to find the circle equation. See, find the equation of the circle. In this first one, in this second one, find the length. Here also find the length. But here find the equation of the circle, right? With the center minus 2, 3. Cutting the chord length 2 units. Length is given to you, right? In this question, we have to find circle equation, and equation of the chord is given to us and its length is given to us, center of the circle is given to us, write the required circle equation. You know it very well, if we want to write any circle equation, we need two requirements. What are those? One is the center, another thing is radius. So center is given to us, we have to find radius. How we will find a radius means with this condition, length of the chord is 2 units. By taking this, we will find radius. So come on, first write down what is your required equation. That means what is the given information to you. So given that center is given to us, isn't it? So write down center is equal to minus 2 comma 3 is given to us, and length of chord is given to us. Length of chord is given to us. How much? 2 units. And equation of the chord also given to us. So if length of the chord is given, how we will find the circle equation means we will take the formula, this formula 2 into root of r square minus d square is equal to 2 we will take. Suppose if you know this d value, we can get r. That means now our requirement is d. If we know d, we can substitute d in this formula, length of the chord. You can get your r value. We need r. Why we need r? Center is given to us. If radius is also known, we can easily write circle equation. Your question is find the circle equation. So come on, now we will find that d. What is d? In these all problems I said d is nothing but perpendicular distance from center to that line. So come on, perpendicular distance from center. What is the center we have taken? This is minus 2 comma 3. It is given in the question. To the line, to which line? Line equation is given to us. It is 3x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. You know it very well. What is d formula? D is equal to, right, it is a x naught plus b y naught plus c by root of a square plus b square. So this is your ax plus by plus c, and this is your x naught y naught. Substitute in the formula. Come on, 3 into minus 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 4 by root of, come on, a square 3 square b square 4 square is equal to 3 2s are, it is minus, plus 4 3s are 12 plus 4 by root of 3 square 9 4 square 16 is equal to, come on, 12 plus 4 16, 16 minus 6 is 10 by root 25. Root 25 is 5. 5 ones are 5 2s are. You got your d is equal to 2. But what is the given information to you? Given that length of chord is given as 2 units. Length of chord is equal to 2 units. What is the formula for length of chord? 2 into root of r square minus d square is equal to 2. 2 ones are. So it is root of r square minus d square is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides. What happens? R square minus d square is equal to 1. Our requirement is r. So try to get your r. R square is equal to 1 plus d square. We got d is equal to 2. So substitute 1 plus 2 square. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So implies what is your r? R is equal to root 5. Once we got center and radius, we can easily write circle equation. So equation of circle with a center. What is center? C h comma k, and radius. What is radius? It is denoted by r. is, what is the formula? X minus h whole square. I think till now you know all the formulas of standard form. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So your h comma k center, that is minus 2 comma 3, and your radius is root 5. So come on, x we will substitute minus of minus plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to root 5 whole square. Square root will get cancel. Expand it. X square plus 2 square is 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y, and bring that 5 also this side, so that equation will be in this side. So x square plus y square, next x term 4x, next y term minus 6y, last constant term 9 plus 4, how much? 13 minus 5, 8 is equal to 0 is the required circle equation. See the difference. Here we have to find length of the chord when circle equation is given. Here also we have to find length of the chord when circle is given. But in this, they have given the length of the chord. We have to find circle equation. By using that hint, length of the chord, we have to find the radius. One center they only given, so radius we have to get it from the given information. Once we know the center and radius, we can easily find the circle equation by using standard circle formula. Whenever you used any formula, mention it properly. Marks will be there for the formulas also. Okay, so practice the problems. Compulsory you are going to get 4 marks question from chord. Okay, don't neglect. Be attentive while class is going on. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.